Hey everyone, I'm Firefighter Worley. Welcome to Station 2-1. Today we're going to be discussing some fire safety sounds. Lieutenant Herrera, what's that sound?
I think I hear a smoke detector that's beeping slowly, beeps that are spaced far apart. We might need to change the battery in that smoke detector.
Lieutenant Meller, what's that sound? Which sound?
So it sounds like it's a smoke alarm going off, making these beep, beep, beep sound. What we're going to do is end up staying low to the ground and trying to get out of the house. Maybe heading to your nearest mailbox or to a general location that you can be at to try and make sure that your family's in a safe location. Not going back for any toys or any other fun stuff you might have left in the house, but evacuating and making sure you're staying low and calling 911 if you need to.
Firefighter McHugh, what's that sound?
That sound you're hearing is 4 beeps, in which is your carbon monoxide alarm, versus your smoke detector alarm, which is only 3 beeps. What it's doing is it's detecting carbon monoxide inside your residence, your house, and when you hear that, you need to evacuate, call 911, and have the firefighters come and evaluate your house and make sure that it's deemed safe for you to re-enter.
What if you're asleep in the middle of the night, snoring like a bear in his woolly underwear? And a fire breaks out in your house, and you're snoring like a bear in his woolly underwear. And a fire breaks out in your house, you need a smoke alarm. Beep, beep, beep. A smoke alarm. Beep, beep, beep. A smoke alarm to wake you up in the middle of the night.